Alright, let's pick this back up. Here we go. Walls look good. What kind of high walls? No big deal. A little scuff mark there, not a big deal. Hallway looks good. Kind of hard to see. Low light. Okay, then we got this bathroom in here. Got some kind of stains or something up there. Well, you know what that is? That's the corner bead. That's the corner bead rusting. So this had a leak at some point or something. And it might be rusting through. They painted over it in the past. So I need some primer before we go painting it. No big deal there. Probably for the shower curtain. There's that one there. There's that one there. Otherwise this room looks good. Two little clips we'll have to deal with. Here's the master bedroom. I've got some light. Okay. Looks pretty good. So whoever painted last got some paint on the trim. These are very tricky. You almost got to paint the bottom of that piece of trim or mask very good. But whoever painted this last got some paint on that trim. Once again, don't want to get blamed for it. Whoever painted last got some paint on that. So got some paint. Nope, that's just missing wood. Okay. Closet. Here's her closet. Some scuff marks. Should be able to paint over all these scuff marks. A lot of scuff marks. Got a stress crack there. Got some paint there. Ceilings look good. Ceilings don't look bad at all. Once again, whoever painted before got some paint on here. Ceilings, the walls don't look bad. Alright. Oh, my phone's dying. I gotta make this quick. Okay, you can't see it too much, but there are some paint runs right there. Some paint runs right there. Just don't want to get blamed for it. Some paint on some trim. Otherwise the wall looks pretty good. The ceilings look really good. I don't know what happened here. Looks like some paint was on the trim and it got up to the ceiling. Bathroom looks good. Two little holes we gotta fix there. Little stains on there. We gotta paint over. Little scuff mark. Patch up those holes. Whoever put texture on here last looks kind of weird. That's a rental, so it should be fine. Go to here, go to here. They did a good job on not getting any paint on the trim. Let's take a peek in here. This one looks good. Ceilings look good. Got some cobwebs, but other than that, there's no door stopper on there, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. Got a little bit of a stain there. Must have had a leak at one point. Can't remember, did I do that? Closet, yes. Turn off these lights. Okay, this one just has, well, a little stress crack there. Where are you at? It has a bunch of holes we're gonna have to patch up. Got some stains there. We're gonna have to patch up those holes there. Patch up all these little holes there. This is about the only wall that doesn't have holes in it. The ceiling has they must have hung something from there. Got stars that gotta come off. Let's check out this closet. Real bright. You can tell this has never been painted. You got your scuff marks. No big deal. You got a stress crack. Got some nails and you'll be patched up. Nail holes. What else? Before my phone dies. Okay. Now I can't remember which rooms I've been in. Okay. So here's the hole from the door. There's no door stopper there. That's why that's happening. You got a stress crack there. All these doors seem to have a stress crack right over them. Got some discoloration, some little spots. That all looks good there. Just a bunch of little nail holes that we'd have to patch up. And they had something hanging here that just tore the drywall up. That one looks good. Closet. Let's see what's going on with the closet. Closet looks good. No problems there. No problems there. Okay, so we got that. What's in here? Little closet. Looks like it's never been painted. Got blue, dark blue at the bottom, light color on top. Got these two hooks. I'm sure you want to take them off. You got some stuff, some hose. I'm assuming that needs to come off. I don't know what's behind there. There could be a hole. Got this thing hung up. Alright, got that. This closet has shelving, metal shelving.